got me through just life, regular life. The bat got me through this. So I named it after her. That's it. Nothing more to do with her than that. But it is the last little piece of her that I got left. Sort of like these snaps for you, huh?
Yes.
Just stop. No, don't. I didn't burn your pictures. I didn't do it. I wouldn't. That is all I have left of her. You burned her and all you have is ashes.
No, I get to hurt you.
I didn't do it. I can settle it. I swear on my sack, I will. I can settle it, okay? Okay?